Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variable. So in the previous class you had learned about linear equations in one variable. So what are the linear equations? Equation having degree 2, degree 1 is known as a linear equation. For example, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this equation is a linear equation because here degree is 1, and you know very well to that how can we find the degree. So as you see that here power of x is 1, so highest power of x is 1, so our degree is also 1. So degree equation having degree 1 is known as a linear equation. Clear? So now we learned about the linear equations in two variables. So as you see 4y plus 1, this is also a linear equation but in one variable. Here variable is y. Also, you know very well that in linear equation, each equation have a unique solution, means one and only one solution. So now in this chapter, we will discuss that uh, does a linear equation in two variable have a solution? If yes, then is it unique? So what does the solution look like on the Cartesian plane? Okay, so we will discuss these properties in this chapter. Okay, so first of all we will discuss that linear equation in two variable. For example, 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation but in two variables. We use here two variables x and y. So and also you see that degree is 1. So this is the linear equation in two variables. So any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c, these are real numbers, real numbers, and a and b are not both ज़ीरो, दोनों ज़ीरो नहीं होने चाहिए. ठीक है, this is called the linear equation in two variables. Okay, clear? So linear equation, this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. You have to remember this standard form. Okay, now let us discuss the example. The first example is write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So we have to write this equation in ax plus by plus c in this form. Okay, and also we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So first of all, let us take the example number 1, first part. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. So first of all we have to write this in this form. So ax 2x plus by 3y. Now take this on the left hand side, it become negative 4.37 is equal to 0. ओके, क्योंकि हम इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ले आए तो इस साइड हमारे पास क्या बचा 0. ठीक है, सो एज यू सी दिस इज इन दिस फॉर्म ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी, और यू कैन राइट इट एज 2x प्लस 3y प्लस ब्रैकेट माइनस 4.37. okay. So now we have to find the value of a, b and c. So compare this equation with the standard equation. So as you know, the standard equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So compare this. As you know, this is a, this is b and this is c. So a is 2, B is 3 and C is minus 4.37. Okay, in this way we can compare the equation. Let us take another example, that is 2x is equal to y. Okay, first of all we take y on left hand side. 2x, it becomes negative because here it is of positive, so 2x minus y is equal to 0. Or also we can write it as 2x plus minus y is equal to 0. लिख सकते हैं ना ऐसे. Also we can write it as 2x plus minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना. 0 ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, कोई इफेक्ट तो नहीं पड़ेगा. Now we compare it with the standard equation. अब हमने इसको ax plus by plus c की फॉर्म में लिख लिया. Now we write the value of a, b, c by comparing it with the standard equation by plus c. Okay, so as you see, value of a is 2, value of b is minus 1 and value of c is 0. A is 2, b is minus 1 and c is 0. Minus 1 कैसे आया? Because we can write minus y as minus 1 into y na. Okay, so that's why value of b is minus 1. Clear? The next example is write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Now we have to write it in as equation in two variables. Let us take the example number 2, first part, x is equal to minus 5. So we have to represent it into two variables. Okay, so it can be written as x, we can write it as 1 into x. 1 into x लिख सकते हैं हम इसको, ठीक है, क्योंकि 1 into x आंसर x ही आएगा. ओके, सो ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 into x प्लस 0 into y. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि 0 into y आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. ओके, सो ऑल्सो नाउ टेक 5 on this side, it become positive, plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this way we can represent the given equation into the two variables. So here two variables, one is x and second is y. Okay, let us take another example. 2x is equal to 3. Okay, so we can write it as 2x plus 0 into y, because 0 into y answer is 0, is equal to 3. Now take 3 on this side, 2x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So in this way we can represent. Okay, now here is exercise 4.1. The first question is, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. ठीक है, write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. We have to represent this statement by writing it in a linear equation. Okay, so how we write it? Let us write first question, exercise 4.1. First of all, this is that cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. कि जो नोटबुक की कॉस्ट है वो पेन की कॉस्ट का डबल है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टेक, लेट कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक बी x, rupees x. Okay, and cost of pen is equal to rupees y. Okay, now according to the statement, जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ते जा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे लिखना है. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेटमेंट, कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक Is, what is the meaning of is? Is means equal. Twice, twice means 2 times the cost of pen. Cost of pen. So what is the cost of notebook? Cost of notebook is x is equal to 2 multiply by what is the cost of pen? Cost of pen is y. So x is equal to 2y. Now take this on this side. X minus 2y is equal to 0. In this way we can write it. Okay. And in the next example, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. So this question is same as example number 1. जैसे हमने एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट की थी वैसे ही आपने ये क्वेश्चन करना है, बिल्कुल सेम है. क्लियर? Now we will discuss about solution of a linear equation. Okay, so you have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Everyone knows about it now. So now what can you say about solution of linear equation in two variables? What we can say about it? So as you know that linear equation in two variables, there are two variables in the equation. For example, 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. So you see that there are two variables x and y. Okay, so solution means a pair of values because we have two variables. So its solution means pair of values, one for x and second one for y. Okay, which satisfied the given equation. Clear? So here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4 is a solution. Why? Because when we substitute here value of x and y in this equation, its answer is 0. For example, when we substitute the value 4 into 3 plus 3, y is minus 4. So 3 4s are 12, minus 3 plus minus minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's why x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4 is a solution of this equation. So as you see that x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4, this is also the solution of this equation. Okay, so you have seen at least two solution of this equation. One is 3 comma minus 4 and another is minus 3 comma 4. So there is no end to the different solutions of a linear equation in two variables. So that is, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Means we can find many solutions of a given equation. Okay, you can also find more than two solutions. Okay, so therefore we can find infinitely many solutions. Okay, so now we will discuss the example number 3. Find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now we have to find the 4 different solutions of this equation. Now how can we find the solution of this equation? So let us solve. X plus 2y is equal to 6. First of all, take the value of one variable as 0. ओके, यू मे टेक 0 1 2 3 4 कुछ भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है, बट एक वेरिएबल की ले लो. एक वेरिएबल की अपनी तरफ से एज्यूम कर लेनी है, तो वहाँ से हमारे पास सेकंड वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक है। और एज्यूम कैसे कर सकते हो, कोई भी वैल्यू एज्यूम कर सकते हो, जैसे 0 1 2 3 4 कुछ भी, ठीक है। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर आई टेक लेट x इज इक्वल टू 0। सपोज करते हैं कि अगर x की वैल्यू 0 होती है, ठीक है। सो पुट द वैल्यू हेयर 0 प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 6, 2y इज इक्वल टू 6, y इज इक्वल टू 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 3. So when we put value of x, y is 3. ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे पुट करके देखो 6 आ रहा है, देखो x is 0 प्लस 2 इंटू वाई इज 3, 0 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 6, 6 प्लस 0 6, तो बन रही है ना। इट मीन्स 0,3 सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है दिस इस इक्वेशन को। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट अब हम y भी 0 ले सकते हैं, ठीक है। लेट y इज इक्वल टू 0, सो नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू हेयर, x प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 इज इक्वल टू 6, सो x प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 आंसर इज 0 इज इक्वल टू 6, x is 6. So when y is 0, x is 6. Second is this one 6, 0. First solution is 0,3, second solution is 6, 0. Okay, now we can find the third solution also by taking, you may take value of x, y, किसी की भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है। Let us take now value of y is 1. Okay, so put this value here, x plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 1 answer is 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 2 which is equal to 4. So third solution is 4, 1. Clear? In this way we can find the fourth solution also. Here I will solve it. So as you see, now take any value of y, for example, or you can also take the value of x. Let us take value of x is 2. Okay, so put here 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. Now take this 2 on right hand side, 2y is equal to 6 minus 2, 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 upon 2 which is equal to 2. So the fourth solution is 2, 2. So we get the four solutions, that is 0, 3, 6, 0, 4, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, clear to everyone how to find the solutions? Here we have the exercise. So in the first question we have to find the solutions are unique, 2 solution or infinite, many solution. ठीक है, so we can find it very easily. Okay, so next is write the 4 solution of for each of the following equations. तो in this question we have to just write the 4 solution. जैसे हमने अभी example discuss की है, तो similarly ये question वैसे करना है. Clear? So the third question is check which of the following are the solution of equation this and which are not. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमने बताना है कि कौन सा इनमें से कौन से सोल्यूशन इस इक्वेशन के हैं और कौन से नहीं हैं, ठीक है। तो ये आपने कैसे सॉल्व करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल 0,2 है हमारे पास, ठीक है। तो x वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 0 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 2. सो वी सिंपली वी हैव टू पुट दिस in this equation. Okay, if we get answer 4 then we say that it is a solution. If answer is not 4 then we can say that it is not a solution. So let us discuss. The solution is given 0,2. Okay, first of all we take left hand side, that is x minus 2y. Value of x is 0, value of y is 2. Put here 0 minus 2 into 2. 0 minus 2 2s are 4 which is equal to minus 4. So as you see, which is not equal to 4, which is not equal to right hand side, so we say that 0,2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4, this equation. Clear to everyone? Okay. In the next question, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation this one. Okay, now it is given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation, and we have to find the value of k. So we simply put the value of x and y here, okay, so, and find the value of k. So you have to try these questions. Clear?